Buzzing about buzz. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to explore the versatile and fascinating phrase, buzz. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its many meanings and how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Buzz primarily describes the sound that certain insects, like bees or flies, make when they move their wings rapidly. It's a low, continuous, humming sound. Example, the buzz of bees can be heard in the garden. In the world of slang, buzz has several interpretations. 1. Excitement or rumors about something or someone. 2. Example, there's a lot of buzz around the new movie releasing next week. 3. A feeling of excitement or a rush, often related to consuming certain substances. 4. Example, that coffee gave me quite a buzz this morning. 5. A short conversation or a message, typically on the phone. 6. Example, I'll give you a buzz later to discuss the plans. There are also phrasal verbs and expressions related to buzz. 1. Buzz off, a somewhat informal way to tell someone to go away. 2. Example, I was so annoyed, I just told him to buzz off. 3. Buzzing, feeling extremely happy or excited. 4. Example, she was buzzing after hearing the good news. Buzz can also be used in idiomatic ways. 1. All the buzz, something that everyone is talking about or very interested in. 2. Example, vintage clothing is all the buzz right now. 3. Get a buzz out of something, to get pleasure or satisfaction from something. 4. Example, I always get a buzz out of helping others. That wraps up our journey exploring the phrase, buzz. Now, not only can you appreciate the sound of bees, but you'll also have a deeper understanding of how this word buzzes around in the English language. We hope this video has added a little buzz to your language learning journey. Keep buzzing, and until next time, happy learning!